Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Marlene, and here on my channel I upload a mixture of motherhood, lifestyle, and cleaning motivation videos. So if that is something you enjoy, I would love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button before you go. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my favorite Amazon purchases of 2019, because if you've seen any of my videos, you probably know by now that I am a total Amazon shopaholic, because Amazon Prime is just life. You literally get everything sent to your door within 2 days. I've actually had stuff that arrive at my house in less than 24 hours. So how amazing is that? I love Amazon, and today I just want to share with you guys some of my favorite purchases. Also, towards the end, I will be announcing a giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this first item is something we've been using quite a bit of lately because we are actually trying to potty train our 2-year-old daughter Kaylee. So that is this Lollipops. And these Lollipops at first glance just seem to be regular old Lollipops, but they are not. They are sugar-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, dairy-free, and have natural flavors and colors. I picked these up because I was on the hunt for something that I can use as a reward for Kaylee for when she tried to go to the restroom. That wasn't going to be like very sugary, give her a sugar rush and then just decay her teeth, because we knew we were going to have a lot of trips to the potty and we did not want to, you know, give her just a lot of candy, honestly. So I found these and she actually loves them. I tried one myself and they taste pretty good. It's not like they taste bad or anything. If Kaylee has a successful trip to the potty, we give her one of these. And she loves them, we love them, she gets very excited about it, and it's been going pretty good so far. So we like that we can give her something that we're not going to really feel too guilty about afterwards. So I really love these, and I recommend if you're a mom, a grandma, or anybody who just wants to spoil your little kid and give them a candy without feeling too guilty afterwards, or giving them a little sugar rush, I would definitely recommend you pick some of these up. They are amazing and they're not too expensive. There, I think this pack was like $3 and it has 15 pops. Yes, they're more expensive than regular Lollipops, but again, these are not a regular lollipop. So next up we have these magnetic safety locks, and these we picked up a few months back because Kaylee started opening drawers and cabinets, and we have the knives in there and whatnot in the kitchen, so we wanted to make sure she was safe and couldn't get access to them. So I was on the hunt for something that we can use to lock our cabinets and drawers, but at the same time that it would not take away from the aesthetic appeal, something that wouldn't look ugly, I guess. And I came across these, and these have done just that. They are 100% concealed, they can secure cabinets and drawers, and they are quick and easy to install. And I definitely agree with everything it claims. I have honestly loved these because you cannot tell they're there at all until someone actually tries to go and pull on the drawer or open a door, and then surprise, you can't because it's locked. I will insert a clip as to how these actually work in the kitchen so you can get a better idea, but definitely recommend these for any mom out there. So this is actually our second set of locks that we ordered because we needed a few more than what we had originally ordered, but this one comes with 12 locks and 2 keys. Here are what the locks look like, and then this key comes with a little magnetic base so you can attach it. All we did was put it underneath our cabinets. You can actually put it anywhere you want, but I thought this would just be easier access since you could just reach, and it's pretty concealed. You wouldn't be able to tell that it's there. So when you go to use it, all you need to do is grab the key, come down to your drawer or cabinet. Let's do the cabinets first. And you will hear a click when the magnet engages on the lock. Let me try to show you guys. I already know pretty much where the magnet is on the inside, but other than that, you can just drag this across until you hear that click. You see, you heard that? So when you hear that click, you just keep it there, and this is harder to do with one hand, but you pull on the door, and this is your lock here. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, when I use the magnet on this side, that's what's happening. So that's how that mechanism works when you have the lock on. So it is this piece here, and then also this other piece here that you just need to align when you install them, but it has pretty easy instructions. So you see here, this will catch on. And also I really love that if you have guests coming over or your child has now outgrown these and you don't want to reach for your keys anymore every time you're needing to open a drawer or cabinet, then you can use this little tab here. Just pull it up, and as you can see there, it disengaged the lock. So now I can close the door and pull on it without having to use the key, and it no longer is locking. If I need it to lock again, then I just press this back down to have this come up, and then now it is locked. I can't do it unless I use the key again. So there's that. So same thing goes for your drawers. You grab the key, find the lock, hold it in place, and then pull. And here's the lock, and over here is the part that it pulls on to make the lock work. This next item is something I already shared with you guys in the what's in my hospital bag video. You guys hear that? That's Aiden. I have him here with me, so he's trying to talk. Aiden, you want to say hi? Aiden, say hi. I love you. Aiden, mami love. Oh, salud. Salud, mi amor. Ay, qué sonrisa tan hermosa. Okay, so this next item is this cosmetic bag, or at least that's how it's, I think, promoted on Amazon. And I actually now use it for my electronics. I have my cameras, battery packs, SD cards, a tripod, extension cords, and whatnot. But like I said, it is marketed as a cosmetic bag because up here, put this down, it has these little elastic bags here, so you can put like your makeup brushes, I guess. It comes with a zipper here on the side, so you can store other things in here. I love it because it comes with these little dividers that you can take out. So you can take this out, and it has slots, so you can rearrange it to fit your needs for whatever it is you're trying to store here. Whether that's like a makeup palette, if you need to store, like, say here, and move this apart so that it's not moving around or whatnot, you can move all of these and adjust it to fit your needs. It also comes in other colors, but this is just beautiful, and I think very much worth it. I think it was also under like $20 or so. I'll leave the links to everything I mentioned down below. But yeah, this is one of my favorite purchases. Next up, I have this Clean Smart toy disinfectant. And knowing me being a germaphobe, and now that we're in flu season and RSV season with a newborn and a toddler, I wanted to go ahead and get something to disinfect all of Kaylee's toys, so that, you know, there'd be no germs on them. So I ordered this because I wanted something other than Clorox, because Clorox is not safe to use around kids, that would actually clean and disinfect all her toys. And this says it kills RSV, cold and flu, strep, E. coli, and salmonella. So this is also rinse free, and you can use it on toys and pretty much any surface, which is what I have done actually these past couple of days. I just spray it on the counters and all to make sure I'm sanitizing every little bit of my home. So this is easy to use. It does smell a little bit like bleach, but I read the reviews and people say that it's actually one of the ingredients in here, but it is not bleach. It's just something that gives the smell, that gives the same smell to bleach, if that makes any sense. I don't know, that was a little confusing, but yeah, this is rinse free. So I just go ahead and, you know, spray it on Kaylee's toys, let it sit there, and then it air dries and kills all the germs. But yeah, I have really loved this. This is my second bottle. I've already used one entire bottle up, and I would recommend to any mom out there, once again, because it just makes cleaning your children's toys very easy, and it gives you peace of mind knowing that everything is safe for them to be around. So yeah, that's this Clean Smart toy disinfectant. Like I have said myself before, I am a clean freak, and my daughter is actually picking up on those same habits, and every time she sees me cleaning, she's coming around trying to mimic everything that I do. So this next item is something we purchased for her so that she could mimic what I'm doing, and that is this toy Dyson vacuum. I have the real adult version of this, and this is literally the same thing. It's just smaller and runs on batteries. So this can actually be taken apart just like the real one. It comes with this attachment and then another attachment. You can also take this off, you know, so it gives her the real sensation that she is using the same vacuum that I am. I love this, and like I said, it actually cleans a little bit, so she is helping me clean along the way, even though she doesn't realize it. But she's cleaning. If I remember correctly, this was under $30, so if you have a little helper at home, this would be a perfect gift for Christmas. And yeah, like I said, I love it. It looks so darn cute, and they look so darn cute using it. So would definitely recommend this. It's one of my favorite purchases. I love seeing Kaylee use this, and she loves using it. And who doesn't love the extra help? Because like I said, it does clean. You can open it, I think, yeah, you press this button. It's a little different from the real one. You press this button and the flap comes open. And see? A dust bunny, literally. She cleaned that up. So yeah, I did not expect that. Okay, now I need to clean myself up. So like I said, it Aiden, the bunny's like Katie. So like I said, it actually does. Aiden. It has some sort of suction. Aiden. No? It has some sort of suction. It has some suction power. So as you can see here, there's a dust bunny that I just placed on there. I know, gross, but I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. And here's the little toy vacuum. It has, you know, the battery, so it works. And if I run this over, it will actually pick it up. Okay, so this next item you have probably seen in some of my cleaning videos, because I use this all the time to mop my floors, and that is this Bissell Power Fresh steam mop. And this one, it's called Power Fresh for a reason, because the cloths that you put on here actually don't have any on it now, because they're being washed. They are washable. You can throw them in the washer. They have a little pocket for a scent disc that they sell separately, so you can clean your floors and have it smelling great without using the harsh chemicals, because all you do is take this little compartment off, fill this up with water, pop it in here, turn it on to your desired steam preference, and then go to town with your steam mop. So I love it because, especially having kids, I want all my floors sanitized, because they are touching them all the time. They may be crawling, putting things in their mouth that were on the floor. So it just eliminates all that mess, especially for me being a clean freak. Like I have said a million times, I would definitely recommend this. It is one of my favorite purchases. It is 1,000 times better than a traditional mop, and I would definitely recommend it if you're looking into upgrading your mop. So this next item is something I don't have right here physically with me to show you, because it is in Kaylee's room. It is the bed bumper, and I love it because Kaylee has been in her room now for I think 8 months or so, and not one time, knock on wood, has she fallen off. Sorry, my camera turned off. I had to delete a few things off the memory card. But like I was saying, this bed bumper Kaylee has been using for now I think like 7 or 8 months, and it has saved her from falling off of the bed so far. And I loved it because I think it did help her transition into her bed, since she was coming from the DockATot in her crib. It helped her move into her big girl bed, and it's very soft. It doesn't fall off of the bed because it has some kind of grip underneath it, which, since you sandwich it in between the fitted sheet and the mattress, it prevents it from sliding off of the bed. So I have really loved it, and it's not an eyesore. So if you're looking for a bed rail or bed bumper for your child, I would definitely recommend this one. It is literally one of my favorite purchases because, like I said, it's not that bad of an eyesore, but it does its job at keeping your child safe. So the next item I want to share is also something that is in Kaylee's bedroom, and that is her toy organizer. I love it because she is able to see all of her toys. They're neatly displayed there. She can go and reach for it, take it out, and then also when she's done with it, it's easy for her to pick it back up and put it in there because there's no lid to it or anything, but it keeps it organized. So I really have loved it. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but at the same time, it gives you a lot of room to store your toys. It was very easy to put together. It's pretty sturdy, and it's not too expensive, so I really love it. So this next item is something I actually don't have with me right here either. It's outside in the car, and that is the baby mirror. I bought 2 baby mirrors prior to the one I have now, and this third and last one is legit my favorite hands down. It's a big mirror with a thin frame, so you're able to clearly see everything. It doesn't wobble. It's easy to attach to the headrest, and even if you don't have a headrest, it's easy to attach to the side headrest and then just tilt it because it has a 360 tilt to where you can see your child even though it's not right in front of them. So I really love it, and I would definitely recommend it. Like I said, we have gone through 2 other ones before we got this one, and this is hands down my favorite. Last but not least is an add-on camera to this baby monitor, and this is the Infant Optics DXR8, I believe. And we had this one with just 1 camera, so I thought we would have to buy a whole new baby monitor set with a dual monitor, but actually we were able to find an add-on camera on Amazon that we could pair with this one. It's also from the same Infant Optics brand, so I love it because I can see Aiden here, and then with a click of a button I can switch it out to where it's Kaylee's room. And I can also have it in a scanning motion where it changes every few seconds. It'll go between Kaylee's room and Aiden. And I believe you can add up to 4 cameras to this same monitor. So that add-on camera was definitely one of my favorite purchases because we didn't have to buy a whole new baby monitor system. So yeah, that wraps up this video. And now for the giveaway. I am so thankful for you all, for every single one of you who has hit that subscribe button, given us a like, left us a comment. We are over 500 subscribers strong and growing. So as a way of saying thank you, being in the holiday season now with Christmas right around the corner, I would like to do this giveaway for you guys. In one of my previous videos, I had asked you guys what you would like to see for this next giveaway, and judging from those comments, this giveaway will consist of over $50 worth of my favorite cleaning products, as well as a $25 Amazon gift card in case you want to purchase any of these items I just spoke about or anything else. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, turn your post notifications on by hitting that little bell right next to the subscribe button, and also leave me a comment down below. I would honestly really love to hear your feedback on what videos you like to watch. Do you like cleaning videos? Do you prefer motherhood videos? Do you like videos like this one, hauls, or any video suggestions you might have? So that is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to every single one of you, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys. Oh no. Little bag video video